Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to come in and wrap up our drafting C. Alright, we got everything ready to go here. We just got to delete some things and basically move some dimensions around. So in here I want to right click and I want to edit my sketch to get started. Alright, after that happens, why didn't that work? I don't know why, it must have misclicked. I want to come in and I want to start deleting things I don't need. Some things I don't need this line anymore. All right, I don't need the line to the right-hand side. I don't need the line going straight up. So selecting those with the selection tool and hitting delete is all we have to do. And the next thing we got to do is start arranging our dimensions. Once again, selection tool, if we select, it highlights. If I click and move it, it's going to push it out. All right. Now mine says 2 inches in a diameter. I want it to be in radius, so I'm going to right click and I'm going to toggle radius to change that. Now I'm going to do the same thing with my second diameter. Select it, click and drag to move it out. Right click to toggle radius. All right. Now you're going to do that with all of the dimensions that we have. And then on the other side, you're going to delete them because we don't need to have duplicates because they're the same thing. This part is symmetrical. If you can't see what you're clicking on, make sure you zoom in so you can see that you have the right thing highlighted before you click to move it. Once again, toggle radius. And then I have one more here at the end. Selecting, moving, right clicking the toggle radius. Now, as I'm getting mine completed, the next thing is, once again, we just got to come over here, select these, hit delete. Make sure you don't delete the wrong things. Once again, zoom in if you can't see the thing you're selecting on. All right. And now we have our parts ready. Almost ready to go. I'm going to move these 2 dimensions out to the left-hand edge and up to the top. Oh, that's the bell. Whoops, sorry. Now, the next thing is, from here, we got to go and we can finish our sketch. After we do that, we got to go over here to sketches. And what we're going to do is we're going to right-click sketch and just make sure we show our dimensions. All right. And then from there, we are ready to go to our file menu. We are ready to capture the image. And we just want to do the current document size. And then export as a PNG or JPEG. And it should be called the same thing. Once you hit save here, that's going to put a JPEG on your little folder piece that's either found over here on the edge, or if you select into this spot right here where our team account is, in this open the new web to the new web window. All right, thanks for watching. Have a good day. Hope it helps.